Hello and welcome, guys. How is everyone doing? Another live trading session. So, currently, I have opened a long on Nasdaq 100. I opened this long at 184, targeting roughly 203. Stop loss is sitting at 173. Quite the dip recently, so let's see what happens. But yeah, market overall is quite under pressure right now, so let's see. And of course, you guys can let me know if you want me to look at something specific, then of course we can do that also. So yeah, overall all the markets are bleeding today. Let's open another tab. If I look at S&P 500, again you can see we have broken down from the bear flag channel and a lot of downward pressure. Current RSI is sitting at 34. So yeah, a lot of downward pressure. Some big names, Apple. Let's see Apple. You can see again trying to dip into this range over here. Let me show you. Look at this area. Look at this area. So yeah, dipping into this area, hopefully we will find some support. Hopefully you can see 4-hour RSI is sitting at 28.9, so below 30 RSI for Apple stock. So yes, there is chance of a bounce, but overall market is not very happy. Anyway, you can also let me know if you want me to look at something specific, then I can do that also. For now, our trade is open. Profit and loss is sitting at roughly 1.1 points right now. So let's see. Continuing to look at other stuff. Gold surprisingly is still trending upwards. Even though the dollar is going up, but yes, gold is also going up. So just to take a quick look at this. So yes, this is from where it's bouncing. 50 moving average on the 4-hour is available here also. So yes, gold doing well. Let's take a look at some other names. Let's take a look at Tesla. Yeah, if I zoom out, you can see we are exactly at the bottom part of this channel. So hopefully there is some chance of a bounce. Maybe something of this sort can happen where we come like broke towards the downside from this channel and then try to bounce again. But currently, yes, 150 psychological number acting as support for now. Not only this metric is also important actually. Number of stocks above 50 moving average. You can see we made a very nice double top and then trying to reject from here. So as you can see, mostly likes to go in this area. So there's a lot of scope towards the downside in the coming days. So we have to be mindful of that. Let's go back to our trade. Yes, our trade is in profit currently. 10 points in profit. This is the first trade of the day. So let's see how does it go. Going well up till now in profit. Also, cryptocurrencies taking a hit. As you can see, all the markets are going down, so this is also taking a hit. Total market cap sitting at 776, not able to hold the 800 billion mark again. So yes, okay, so we are nearing our take profit area. Let's see if we are able to reach that or not. The position is still open, almost there. Let's see, waiting, just need a little bit more. Nah, getting rejected from the 200 mark. 11,203 is what we are looking for. Yeah, getting rejected from there. Let's zoom in a bit. It looks like, yeah, all like point some 0.1 or 0.2 points is what we are looking for, and then we'll be in profit. And also the reason why I went long here is, look at this. Price was going down, but look at the RSI is going up. So yes, some bullish divergence was forming. So this was one of the reason why I went long over here. This is the 1 minute chart. Yeah, missed it by a very small amount, but it's fine. Let's go back. Over here, oil. Yeah, let's take a look at oil. Yeah, tried to break out of this channel, failed. Again tried, failed. Again getting rejected. So $70 is possible again on oil. Also, you can see the 200 moving average is available at how much? 84. So very strong resistance area over here. Still not done. In profit, but still not done. Our trade is still open on the 1 hour chart. Let's take a look at NEO also. Yeah, testing the bottom part of the channel in terms of 4-hour RSI. We are at 45, so it can go down more. It is possible to test 10.5 again. That is possible. Also, the moving average is here, right? So this will start acting as strong resistance. So we have to be mindful of that. Going back to our trade once again. Nope, still waiting. 203 is the roughly take profit area, so we just need a little bit more and then we should be in profit. Let's go to Bitcoin also. I opened this trade on Bitcoin actually. Is this open now? Let me check. I had put the order, so let's see. Okay, so this is open. 16750 was the point where I went long, targeting 17100. Stop loss sitting at 16550 roughly. Okay, so this one is done. This one trade is done. We have closed in profit. Now let's see where it goes. Probably a small breakout might happen. Something of this sort can happen. So let's see. If something of this sort happen, then we can try to open a short position. But for now, 0.17%. Okay. Done. First trade done. Bitcoin, fine. So yes, currently the Bitcoin trade is open. The other one we have closed in profit. For Bitcoin, targeting 2% against downside of 1.21%, risk to reward 1.7. So yeah, okay, we are seeing some rejection, but let's just wait. No need to rush into the trade. Ethereum, let's check Ethereum also. What is happening? 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah, this point here roughly how much? 1180, 1175 is from where it's trying to find support and finding strong resistance in this region. 1250, 1270, where all the moving averages are. US 2-year yields, okay, dropping a little bit. Dollar index, very strong downward trend. Look at this rejection. Trying to find support now, but I think the real support is just around this number 101. Okay, so it's getting rejected from this moving average. This is the Nasdaq 100. Also, let's take a look at silver. Yeah, good support, found good support in this region, $18.5 roughly, showing nice bounce, but you can see that, yeah, roughly this part 23.9 upward of this is all resistance, this area. So that is why it's finding difficult to break through this number. Back to our Nasdaq trade. Where is it? Yes. Okay. Let's see. Let's wait now. If it comes back in this area around how much? Yes, 175. Then we can think of another long. By that time, the RSI will be lower also. This is the 1 minute chart. Let's go back to Apple once again on the weekly chart. This will be interesting. So yeah, you can see very strong rejection from this point 150, and then look at this candle, very strong downward pressure. Can try to find support at $130. If not, then 120, where this weekly moving average is sitting. So overall, yes, market is quite under pressure. For Nasdaq itself, 11,000, of course, this is a big number, psychological number for good support. Okay, we are at 11,189. Our Bitcoin is, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, very small profit right now, $50. Dow Jones. Okay, let's take a look at Dow Jones also. Interesting. It might find support in this region. A lot of moving averages here. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. Okay. Trying to bounce, trying to go to the moving average again. So yeah, first trade we have finished successfully. First trade was the long trade, and this is done in profit. Now we are looking for our second trade. Actually, second trade is already open. If I go to Bitcoin, my second trade is already open. If I go here, let me go to the 4-hour chart. This trade is in how much? $50 profit right now. $55 profit. So this is still open. So looking for third trade. Also, if you want me to look at some specific stock or index or coin or commodity, you can let me know about that also. We can take a look at those things also. So yeah, this Bitcoin trade opened 16,750, targeting 17,100. For the Nasdaq trade, this was on the 1 minute chart, opened at 184, took profit at 203. So now looking for third trade, sorry. But yeah, overall market has taken quite the hit after CPI, Powell's meeting and everything. So either I want to see something of this sort, like we see a big breakout over here trying to reach the purple line. Maybe this area can be interesting to open a short, or I see a rejection here, price goes down in this region and the RSI will become lower. So this can be an interesting point to open a long. So let's see. Right now finding resistance in this area, but still I don't think it's very strong. It's not strong enough for me to open a short over here, because just few minutes back we can see that this happened. Whoever was targeting this moving average, so you can see how the market behaved, suddenly spiked up. Maybe a lot of people got liquidated, then market came back down. But yeah, let's keep this here and then we'll see what happens. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Okay, $26. Fine, that's fine. This is actually a longer trade, so this I'm not worried about too much. Targeting 17,100. Let's look at some other stuff. Maybe we can find another trade. This is looking all right on the 4-hour chart. Dow Jones trying to bounce off these moving averages. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. It will be similar to Nasdaq. Yeah, similar to Nasdaq. This region here, 32,713 onwards, finding resistance. And Tesla also, let me show you again. I just talked about this bottom part of the long term channel. If I zoom out, you can see bottom part of the channel, daily chart, daily RSI sitting at 29. So yes, interesting area. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. So still waiting either this area somewhere around here for short or somewhere around here for long. It is trying to form this sort of a pattern, like this triangle pattern is what it's trying to form. Let's take a look at GBP also. Okay, trying to bounce from all these moving averages here, good, but now reaching resistance area. You can see price is going up, RSI is staying roughly flat, so some sort of bearish divergence forming. Back to Nasdaq. Okay, pumping again. Neo, how much is Neo? 1178. Okay. Oil is fine. Gold. Wow, look at gold. Look at gold. So many wicks. Interesting. Let's go back. Nasdaq. So still waiting. Either this area, like better for short, this area better for long. First trade is already done. We closed in profit. Looking for third trade because the second trade is already open on Bitcoin. Little bit profit, $50 profit roughly. Let's zoom out a bit. 4 hour. Okay. Now we are seeing that price is trying to break towards the upside. So yes, this can be a chance to open short. Like I mentioned, this part here is looking better for short. Something of this sort can happen. That's why I've marked up this area roughly, of course. Then we can try to open a short. See, the first trade we already closed in profit, so now it's much easier. We can be a little bit more aggressive. RSI on the minute chart is 65. I think above 210 can be a good short position, so let's see. And then we can take profit of around 195, 197. Okay, now we are seeing some big movement. Now we are seeing some good movement. Okay, this part here we can open. Let me put up 1196. Put this here. It has to be actually above this. Okay, somewhere around here. This one maybe here. Let's see if we get this or not. Back to Bitcoin, $9 profit. It is possible that we might come down, test this moving average and bounce from here and liquidate our position, but that's fine. Any other thing? Netflix is positive today. Okay. On the 4 hour, trying to bounce from here. Okay. See, it's getting rejected from here. 210. Let's see. Still waiting for 213 to open this short. But if it starts to bounce from this moving average, then might need to change this. Okay. Dollar index. Bouncing. Yeah, it's going down to test the moving average. The green moving average, 50 moving average, that is. Come on. It already went to the take profit area, but of course we were not able to reach the 213 level to open the short. But let's see. No problem. We will wait. Yeah, let's go back to Apple once again. Let's keep this here and go back to Apple. Yeah, this area is looking interesting. Look at this area. Trying to find support here. Even the 4 hour RSI is 29.4. So, yes, it's possible. Still facing downward pressure. Tesla, yeah, very strong rejection. 4 hour RSI at 24. And then again, this is the bottom part of the channel, so yes, it's an important metric, important area. If we zoom out to the weekly chart, what is happening? Okay, we can see some sort of support forming here. If not, then next is 130, 125 area, which coincides with the 200 moving average also on the weekly chart. Weekly RSI 32. Interesting. Of course, there was recent news that Elon Musk has sold some of his stocks. That is negatively affecting Tesla stock price, but that's fine. It's looking interesting. If I look at this, let me move the chart a bit and look at the RSI. So almost flat. So we are getting some small bullish divergence at this point. Of course, $150 being a psychological level also. Okay, it's trying to pick up again. Need to remove this. This did not happen. But to be honest, this Apple and Tesla thing is looking very interesting. Let me just go back one more time, 1 minute. If I try to see what is happening, current price is here. If we target, okay, 145, okay, yeah, somewhere around here. And the stop loss sitting at 125 is not just too much. Maybe 128. Risk to reward 1.65. Okay, not bad. Given that 4-hour RSI is 29.6. Getting rejected from the moving average again. Okay. Let's see. Where is Bitcoin now? 25. Okay. Overall, we can see that you can see very small movements in the 1 minute chart. Of course, a lot of dump has happened already, and today's Friday also, so a lot of people taking profit. So market under pressure. If this breaks 150, then probably a good area to enter. Even Apple, it's not a bad area to enter. Let's quickly look at Ethereum also. What is happening? Still nothing much changes. Okay. Yeah, getting strong rejection from the moving average. Is it trying to test this again? It's a strong move. Looking for 212.13 area to open short, or needs to go around this number. 180, 170 area for long. Overall, what is happening in Nasdaq? Let's delete this thing. Yeah, it's broken down from this channel now. Something of this sort is actually possible. We might see some sort of this action happening. Again, we're getting rejected. So yeah, waiting for the third trade. First one done and profit, waiting for the second one. Better if we see 212 or 13 area on the Nasdaq, then it's better to open short here. For long, below 180 is looking better. So yeah, let's just wait. Let's quickly look at our Bitcoin trade. What is happening? How much? $13. Okay. So anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this quick live session. Hopefully I will see you guys again next time. Until